It's just different and nice at the same time. It's big. Hi guys, Zviri say. Nhasi I've got an exciting update, guys. Ndikutobuda izvozvi right now. Kune kwandakoko. Ainoziva kuti ndodriver kaFord aka. I drive a Ford. So Ford yandinvite ati uya kunomboonawo motokari nyowani dzatinadzo. So guys, I'll come back with a video. Hopefully, you know, they'll allow me just to take some photos, some videos of the new vehicle that they're gonna show me. I'm gonna tell you what vehicle it is, guys. It's an exciting time. I'm excited. It's a brand new car that I'm going to see today. So stay with me. See you, guys. Yeah, Tasvika Ford Transit Center. Imwe sarati aya ando anenge ari mamwe acho dzinonge chidhura dzakadai sodzi. Aloko chatatipa makeys to go out what is inside there. Pane munda wemotokari even panza dzakazara maFord chete. So unongochuza yake wanongochida okupa wanongochida, but ndichakuratidza idzosi. Don't worry guys, don't worry. So vari kutipa yacho, I think it's one of them ones, but not like these MSRT ones, because the MSRT is the top range. So see you in the next video. Guys, zviri sei? Paita temporary setback izvo zvichatosvika izvo paParis pacho ka. Ndozvanzaiwa mota yamuri kuda iyoyo yestart akabhuka na 11, but iri kudzoka about an hour, saka handasina time yekumira hour, saka hanzi aiwa unozodzoka. Saka masikati I think kuma33 ndichadzokera futi tombondoona kuti mota yedu inenge yadzokera, because vangada kuti pakuti titeste imwe, but handisi kuda iyoyo because yatabhukiswa kuti tizoona. It's an hybrid. It's a hybrid, inoita petrol zvose nemagetsi, so ndo atinoda kungoona iyoyo. So pandichaenda kundoenda akachoti aiwa no, don't worry, uya nelicense paunouya tobva takupa mota unoenda nayo even chero kana day kana 2 days. Vanenge achiita kukutsvetsva chaiko kuti utenge motokari yacho, saka vanzi unotoya kutotora umbotoendera nayo 2 days uchinyatsoziva kuti ndo yauri kuda yakati haude. Saka ndechikuupdate guys, but it's exciting. I'm excited. Hi guys, I got the Ford. You know, you can see it's electric and diesel as well, so it's a hybrid car. It's so nice, everything. You know, it's a nice vehicle. I'm enjoying it, and it goes so fast. You can see. I don't know if you can see. Check maybe the speedometer how fast it moves. Like if you just press it, it just goes like magic. So they said I can use it, I think, for today until tomorrow, even day after tomorrow, but I told them I'll just bring it back tomorrow because I don't need it for those many days. So guys, I'll let you know how it performs. I'm just testing it around to see how it does, how it handles, you know, the terrain and everything. So guys, see you in the next video. Guys, this is your van in the evening. It looks so solid, you can see it. Let me switch it on. It's just different and nice at the same time. It's big, it's nice, it's everything. So I just wanted to show you how it looks like at night. It's something else. It's nice, it's lovely. It's just lovely. I can tell you this. When you're driving it, it moves so fast. It's so nice. I enjoyed the ride in this one. Okay, hi guys, this is day 2 with the beast, the Ford. This is a hybrid. It's a hybrid, so I have diesel in there. I have what do you call it? I have electricity as well. This is a plugged-in hybrid, so you can see, I think in the front here, you can actually plug in your charger, electric charger. So if I want to top it up, I can just plug it in, then I can just charge it up. It's just plugged in hybrid. You can come here and also you can see as well. So you can see this is just an electric car. It's so nice in there. If you go in there, yeah, you just sit here. Everything is just so zvakangonaka kuona so uri muno mukati. Even ungodai so kana unoda kungostarta kungotsika pabreak, as long as the keys are on me, hapana chandonida kumboita anything else. So just press in the start, it's started already right now. You just need to park, but it won't even. I don't want to give noise. I don't want to so. Boss, I know it's a ndichishandisa low distance, low speed, and everything. Inongotanga kufamba ne-electricity. Then kana kuri ndauda kuzera maiwenda wedzera speed ndo paino trigger in the engine. Then engine paino trigger in, sometimes inenge to charge futhi again the batteries, but it just depends on how fast are you going. So here you get that infotainment, everything, and all your controls. So you can check modes. You can see these modes, and brake. We have a code. So yokutanga normal. Kana chi drive from town muloka uchishi, you can just put it on normal. Then eco, if you want to save fuel and all those kind of things. Then this is my favorite. This is what we're going to use now. You see, immediately you put in sports mode, it starts up and it gives you that sporty sound that you would want whenever you are actually enjoying your stuff. And the one thing that I like about this mode is sporty inenge ichicharge after battery, but mafuta anenge achiperawo, so you win some, you lose something. Then kana kunaya kune snow and stuff, don't end up a slippery inenge more traction and that kind of thing. Then kana une chitrailer unongoisa wapa inenge ichingoziva kuti inozvibalansa sei. But usually what I just prefer to use is just the eco, because inenge yakanyarara, inenge richi unongo EV mode and everything that you do. But right now, I have to name sport what I say. So let's go. Open from the other side. So safety first, guys. My cameraman is getting ready. Safety first, guys. So you have to make sure you're in your belt and everything, and then you're good to go. So you just drop it down, then there's a small handbrake. It's just like a button. So if you push it out, it's out. When you want to put it in, you just do it like this, then it's in. So now we're going on. So it moves so fast. It moves so fast. I don't know how I can show you, when the car is moving, but it really moves so fast. When you want the takeoff is just out of this world when you want to have that takeoff. But it's a nice car. It's a nice car. Ford really did cook something. So because in the nega Ford kangu kakadiki, Ford around the there's other thing also that I didn't show you guys. I got to go back. And let's go back. We want to show the back of this car. The back of this car. Will it? That's fine. I'll show you guys the back of this car. So the drive is all right. It's comfortable. It's everything that you need in a car like this, really. You don't have to worry or stress about anything. It just handles everything. So kana uri munhu utika unofarira mapickup aya ari masingle cab, I would suggest you get one like this instead of you getting a pickup here inenge isina ichingori pick up masoro. This can actually do but of which most of the people these days, guys, my pickup I think I remote luxury and everything. So you'd rather have this one. You don't talk about anything, whatever it is. You have a cover there, it's like it's a van, guy. So I'll show you the back of this one so that at least you can understand because you get both worlds. Best of both ways. Because you get the comfort that you need in a vehicle, and also you can just enjoy the drive. It's fast, it's everything that you need. So you won't get stressed or anything about that. So enjoy pick up because the luxury that is in here sometimes my pickup you will not get it. So you'd rather have this one. And remember, guys, this is just the best model for this hybrid van that I have. That's the best. You can see there's a lot of other controls that are not in here. You can see all up there, a lot of things are not, you know, activated. Even here, there's normally like something you can open and put your glasses or whatever. It's not there because this is just the best model. So if you get the one in full specs and everything, you enjoy it, guys. Unonakirwa unyatsoziva kuti uchiita zvako zvebasa rako uchitakura zvinhu mumasuro and everything, but uchiwana futi enjoyment yekudrive and everything. So these are some of the things zvotonoona this car, guys. Angoti ndikuratidzei motikari inoyi, so kuti kana uri interested in getting a car yakadai, at least now waane idea kuti motikari yakadai so inenge yakaita sei mukati. I don't know, maybe my camera doesn't have stabilization, so maybe it can be shaky sometimes. So cameramen, try to keep it steady, please, because I know, you know, inbuilt stabilization. But other than that, it's a really, really nice car. I like driving it. It's fast and everything. It's even faster than my Vatican car. The Vatican car is fast like this. This one is very fast. The takeoff is just out of this world. But so the other thing also provided with the infotainment. This car in a Apple Play and everything, so you can see my phone is connected there. I can drive, put in my map in there, and then not on this let me go home. And stuff like that. So all this information, radio, I can play even my sounds on there. Let's see. I can play my sounds there on YouTube. But I know to make sure I know we out to YouTube. I go home before already. Back out we see YouTube. Chai but I don't know so. But I say you got no na kick. So no go to na audience. Even the sound quality, so I pachai, is just nice. Just nice. The busy sound because I need to zvinobvumidzira unozoridza nzeve dzevanhu ndikaswera ndakudziviswa copyright and stuff, but I just wanted you guys to just hear the sound. It's just good quality sound that you get out of this car, and you can just enjoy the music. Will just be pounding in your head and that kind of thing. So guys, if you want this car, ndakuza wazi mukoto wadzo unondudza ukanda inbox email yangu iripo pamusoro. Totaura toona toonesana sei kana uchida toda brand new, totaura nevanhu vaiva vokupa brand new this car.
Hazard reported ahead.
So guys, that's it. See you in the next video. Yeah guys, pabasa uradza mukati mota novhura masuro ine double doors, so you can actually open the door. Guys, paranozoti ko ika review rodzi isingaratidze engine yemotokari, so ndatorega ndoratidze engine yacho, yandoratidze engine yacho yemotokari muione. I don't think kuti pane chakawanda chamunogona kuona. I don't think pane chakawanda chamunogona kuona yenyumba. Zvinhu zvacho zvingori zvinyowa nazvo zvakayovharika, but ukutoona zvimabhatiri zveelectric zvechichi zvezvichoripo izvo zvona ipapa. Saka uonako zvakawanda zvakangovharana, but you can see the engine is quite big and new, brand new. Zvinonakidzawo motokari engine yakachena kudai, so isina kana chichipomera, zvinongonakidza. So guys, this is the car. So guys, this has been my experience with this Ford, what do you call it? Ford hybrid. This has been my experience with this Ford hybrid vehicle. I had a good time. I can't lie. I enjoyed it. I enjoyed driving it. So I'm gonna be taking it back. Hopefully, I've spoken to them. Hopefully, they will want to give me some more vehicles even to just look at. Ndongoona ndoonesana neteam rangu. Pamwe ndotozvifunga kuti kaivava pandakaitoita chivlog ichi kuti maybe in the future ndichatenge ndangoita zvemotikari. I think nditozviona. I think ndakutoda kutomboita macar review then ndonyatsotsvaga cameraman anga achinditora zvakanaka nechichichi. I think nditozvifunga nokuita camera view yemotikari ndichiratidza vanhu motikari dzakanaka dzekuti kana munhu anenge ada motikari achiuya kwandiri. So guys, let me know in the comment section kana muchida kuti ndiite zvemacar review. Mondiudza kuti unoita sei handizivi. Saka mondiudza kuti unofanira kuita so zvinonakidza kuona. Tichida kuona zvakati monditipira guys. Tipirei. Ndoita iyo content yacho ndotoigadzira. Mota kokuzotora ndine mikoto yacho. Thank you so much guys for watching. Have a great day.